Hello to all my friends out there. And my iPhone capacity was full, so I had to delete before I could continue the video. So this is my double-decker salami and egg sandwich, and this is a really good sandwich, substantial, you know. And I had some Campbell's soup, so I bought this bread for 99 cents at 99 cents only, and I like this bread because it's 1.5 pieces. I bought this soup for 99 cents, and I bought the salami for 99 cents, and I just happened to have some in the freezer. And I made mention that I was going to this stuff is well worth buying. I fried the eggs and the salami and that. And then I'll be stockpiling ketchup. But one of the comments gave me a good idea, and I'll be stockpiling green chilies because those could come in pretty handy, you know, to spice up my rice or, you know. Okay, this is some good tea. That's my German teapot. That one's a pretty one. And so this is some black currant tea. I've tried this one before. It's in my tea sampler. And I like these, you know, like any kind of berry or fruit tea is really good. And so let me taste this one. It's going to be a good one, I already know. And then, I don't know if you guys have tried these, but these are good, but they're small, so you can eat a half a package before you know it. You have to be careful. So I only let myself have 3. Okay, and this is... I have to be very careful with this cookbook because I'm selling it, but let me give you a couple of the recipes. I really like these recipes. They're easy, and here's the pictures. And let me see if I can get this side. It's not easy to do. This is the one I was interested in. I'm always looking for chorizo recipes. I think this is an oldie. But I'm selling this book on eBay, so I just wanted to give you guys a couple of the recipes before somebody buys it. If no one buys it, what I do when I sell on eBay is I buy stuff that I want. So if nobody buys it, that's okay. I'll just keep it myself. So here is another one of my sandwiches, salami and egg sandwich, fried salami and egg sandwich and soup, and black currant tea, and let's see. And so, God bless you all.